blending flour and the remaining coconut and the remaining egg wash. But as I would say, nothing now waste, nothing now dash we don't. Chef Landoclans is here today. Today I'm going to prepare some fried chicken, but I'm going to do, right here I got the breast part of the chicken, so I'm going to do a coconut tended fried chicken, right? Yeah. And here we got some flour mixed with some cornstarch. This is the egg. I got 2 eggs in this container. I'm going to make some egg wash. Okay, so let's go right in the video. For the egg wash now, I'm going to add just a little seasoning of this. Little black pepper, a small amount. A pinch of salt. Then I'm going to just mix up this pepper. Add some vinegar. So I'm planning to serve this with some pumpkin rice. I got the rice on the fire already. So I'm just gonna do the chicken to show you guys, right? Right, lovely. Yes, that is okay right there. This is the flour with a little cornstarch in it. So I'm gonna add a little baking powder to this. Right. And a little all-purpose season. And nevertheless, a little red pepper. You know, you have to have a little flavor, pepper flavor to it, right? Yeah. And a little ginger powder. Mix these dry ingredients together. So that is that. This is the coconut, right? This is the coconut. Right over here now, I have the chicken breast, well washed and drained, because you know, whenever you're frying chicken breasts or chicken, it's best when it is well drained, dry, yeah, for you to fry, because it contains less water, right? So you squeeze it for having less water in it. So I'm just gonna add a little salt to that, about a teaspoon, and some all-purpose season. Yeah. Remember now, the egg wash is already flavored enough, so you have to go low on the season with the chicken. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use my hand and just mix it in, make it season nice and proper. So this is well seasoned, right? Well seasoned. Oh crap. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to set this aside. Rice smell like soup. Yeah. And I'm going to add the cooking oil in the pot. Remember, you want to add a good amount of oil because you want it to kind of that deep fry. You want it to have a deep fry thing, right? Now the oil started to add, right? So what am I going to do now? I'm just going to flour these breasts. First, I'm going to dip it in the egg wash. Then you put it in the coconut, just right there. Right, how nice that is. And then you're gonna flour it. Dip it back in the egg wash. Alright. Then you're gonna add a final flooring, right? Gonna just place them there. So now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna place them in. So I'm just gonna let that fry for about 5 minutes. Starting to look really good already. I'm just going to give it a little bit more fry, and then I turn them on the other side. There is it. Already turn them. I'm just going to let them fry for about 3 more minutes. Nice golden color. I can't wait to taste them. Okay, now guys, I'm going to remove this. Wow, look at that, see how beautiful it is? Yeah. Oh crap, I get the paper towel in it. Wow. Come on. Come on. Wow. That's my pumpkin rice with sweet corn. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna serve it with. The rice is almost finished also. This I remaining flour and the remaining coconut and the remaining egg wash. But as I would say, nothing now waste, nothing now dash we do. So watch now, I'm gonna add some water in this. I'm gonna mix up this. Coconut in this. I wonder what this is going to taste, man. I don't even know what I'm making. Now the name for this, as I say, nah, waste nothing, just eat. You know, say, this now, this kind of eat still because egg in there, which give protein. Just eat, so. You know, see as I can see, you just mix it up, turn them in a fritters, just eat. Yo, that one look like apple, man. Yo, I'm gonna just try them, man. As you say, no, not now, we something now, that's really good. Alright, so now I'm about to serve. So I guess that is it. Now, this is the orange sauce. I'm gonna pour the orange sauce over the chicken. Yes guys, I make it to the end of another wonderful video. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Yeah, it's a very simple and easy recipe. A coconut tender chicken with orange sauce and serve with avocado. Yeah, as you can see, it's very good. Yeah, alongside with some pumpkin rice with corn. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember, give the video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, right? And comment on the video. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy and see you next time.